Have you ever wondered how these AliExpress front bumper, front lip sticker things work? Well, I bought it for you guys and let's find out how it looks. I'll put it on the car and let's go. This steak is not sticky at all. You see? It's just like rubber. My advice. So my conclusion for today is don't buy that AliExpress front lip spoiler sticker, whatever they call it in there. Don't do it. It's not sticking. It's not 3M tape, it's probably M3 tape. So don't buy it. That's it for today's video. Very short one, but I hope you guys learned from it. Bye!